Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena and today I'm going to show you 5 hair hacks. This is going to be really cool, and for all those lazy people out there who don't know a lot of hair hacks, today I'm going to show you these crazy hacks. And what are we waiting for? Let's start. So my first hack is for people who have really long and silky hair. Whenever you use a bobby pin and you try to pin your hair, it comes off like all the time. So this is a really cool hack. What you gotta do is take your bobby pin and you take some hairspray and now you spray it. Once you've done that, now when you pin your hair, it stays in place. So this was my first hack. So here's my second hack. So if you've not washed your hair or if your hair doesn't smell good, what you gotta do is take some perfume and your comb and spray it on your brush, and then you brush your hair, and this will have a really nice aroma and your hair will smell so good. So this is my third hack. If you've been traveling all day and your hair has become messy like this, all you got to do to avoid all this baby hair is take a brush and you take some hairspray, spray it on this, and then you just brush it like that, and your hair will look neat and clean. So here's my fourth hack. If you have split ends and you don't want to go to the salon and cut your hair, all you gotta do is just take a little section of your hair and twist it, and now just take a pair of scissors and you cut all these split ends. That's how easy it was. So this is my fifth hack. If you have really rough, dry ends, what you're going to do is take a little bit of glycerine. I'm going to take a few drops of glycerine, just this much, massage it and apply it on your ends. This will make it really shiny and it won't look dry and rough. So these were a few hair hacks for all those lazy girls out there, including me. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and comment, share, subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. And I will see you soon, guys. Bye.